Hello everyone and welcome to All About Sedna's and Entertainment channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna share Jungkook clearly got hurt making this sound in his Taehyung live today. Special latest clip in complete detail, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go click on the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So basically today Taehyung did a live on viewers, and in that live video when he was talking to his fans, Jungkook was heard making some sounds and especially clearing his throat. And Taehyung also became silent for a moment and he started looking here and there, and then he again continued the vlog. But throughout the vlog he was looking here and there and it was obvious. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then give this video a big thumbs up and also share your thoughts in comment box. I'll see you guys later, but till then, take care. Bye everyone.